Welcome to the unboxing event. This is the unboxing of a Nobsound phono preamplifier with moving coil capability. Here we go. This thing was sealed like Fort Knox, so you have to open both ends like that. And I'm just going to push it through. If I can get it through. I'm just trying to do all this one-handed. Not easy when you're trying to hold the phone. I'm sure that the next investment will probably be in a tripod for the phone. So, anyways, we're pulling it out. Switching hands here. Here we go. I'm so excited. Yes, here we go. And what do we have? We have the, looks like this is the manual. It's Nobsound, but it's called I Am Nobody. Speaks to my existential, just emptiness, I guess. I don't know. And which having a preamp finally will cure. And take the plastic off, and here it is. It's not that big. It's pretty small. You see it according to the size of my hand. And there you go. Moving magnet down, moving coil up. It's got a headphone preamp capability and what appears to be a volume knob, power, and on the back we will show. Sorry about the lousy focus here. I don't know what's up with that, but I'm going to try to cure it somehow. There we go. So we got the input, ground, power, line output. This goes to the line in auxiliary, not the phono input, by the way. And of course, we've got the power adapter. In a later video, or a section of this video, we will be putting it in and testing it out. Okay. Okay, we're back, and just letting you know that I did hook it up independently of shooting video, because this was quite a bit of a job. If you can see here the setup. Right now I got a it's attached. This here is a Bluetooth receiver. There's the preamp. It does not come with RCA cables, but I did find an RGB RCA cable, which I removed the red. And we've got blue for the right, green for the left. And this here, we hooked it in to the auxiliary port. As you see there, should be a diagram right there. Yes, the diagram here is an old Fisher from the 90s. And just to make sure we're ready to power up, we've got this here. Pull it up more, get it on my knee. And there we go. Look at that. Lens flare and all. We've got that working. We're ready to set up and put this all back together. And then, as you see right here is my turntable. It's a Yamaha PF800, which I was so lucky to find at a landfill that was at a swap shed. This sucker's worth about $1,000, actually. If you look online, look up Yamaha PF800, you will see it's a really great turntable. It has excellent sound separation, as you can see by the twin tone arm, and a moving coil cartridge, which made it a little difficult to find a good preamp at the price point I was looking at. So anyway, we're going to put it all together and try it out. Okay, we are all plugged in, and I got record on the turntable ready to go. I do notice though that at moving coil setting there's a low hum. Let me just, oh, I see, the volume was turned way up. Probably back from when I was cranking some stuff on the turntable without a proper preamp. So that hum is evident when you turn it way up, but come to think of it now, it's not that bad. So good check, good catch on that. I did ground it to the receiver rather than the box because of the hum. I was trying to get rid of that hum. But chances are that box, this little box here, probably doesn't ground so well. So if you have a phono input with a ground on the receiver, like I do advise putting your ground there. So anyway, we are up and ready to go. So we've got turntable, and bring this up. I'm gonna cue it. Let's see. Bring it up. Oh, something. Here we go. Ready to go, and alright, we got sounds. So there we go. Just wanted to test it. Can't have too much music in there due to copyright limitations, but we are up and running. Yay! And of course, thumbs up to the Clash for supplying us with that little intro. Or should I say outro, since we are leaving the video. Have a good day, guys.